The sun is out. Yeah, and I'm here on the coastline. Yeah, enjoying the beautiful morning. What do you have to say about Bigsuper channel?
Oh my god, if you're not watching this channel, you're missing out on so much.
Get that fantastic feeling in the day and the night. Going across the island with fabulous sight. Exploring, reporting over mountain and sea. It's Bigsuper for you and for me.
Yeah, people, top of the morning. Top of the morning. It's Bigsuper and another glorious morning. Another beautiful morning in the eastern or on the eastern tip of St. Thomas. Guys, the sun is rising this morning. And I want you to see the beauty of the sunrise in the east, because a lot of people across Jamaica see the sunrise, but a lot of them never really see it rise from the east. When you see it come out of the water, guys, so it's coming out the water. The sun is coming out the water, guys. And let's see if we can zoom it in, look more for you. The sun is actually coming out the water. And I tell you people, there's a lot of cloud in the sky, and me kinda, you know, the cloud kinda hide the beauty of the sunrise. Because I wish me could have get to see the sunrise without the cloud, but I guess that's the nature for you. But the sun is rising, just come out of the sea now. Yeah, it's above, little bit above the water, and you have to really in the east. Yeah, so it's fully out the water now. So you see, you have to in the east, people, to see exactly what Bigsuper I talk about. The sun arise, and you notice the clouds them now above the sun start to lit up, and now it rise out the water, and you have some cloud above the water, so it gone up in the cloud. So if I was like on Blue Mountain Peak, I would have seen it above the clouds, so I would have seen the glare of it. But right now, I'm looking at the sky, people, and the sky on the eastern tip, the clouds them begins to lit up. Yeah, and it's early in the morning, just a little bit past 6 in the morning here. I'm catching this view here out in the ocean, and may I tell you people, you know, I wish everyone would have a ocean in a them backyard where them could have come out and look at the beautiful sea line, the beautiful sea coast, and see how Mother Nature work, especially early in the morning, to see how Mother Nature work, and just to see the sun rising out the sea and going up in the cloud. And there is a ship, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a ship, and that ship is on the shipping channel heading towards Kingston. Yeah, one of the famous shipping channel run across St. Thomas. So guys, as you can see, the morning is so beautiful. There's a lot of cloud in the sky. It's a cloudy morning. The sea is pretty calm. Pretty calm, guys. I can show you. The ocean is pretty calm. And there is not much there's not fish and folk them is not up this morning and thing. But this morning we just come out just to look at the rising of the sun. We really and truly say we're happy it's sure now when the sun has come out of the sea, because a lot of people never really get that opportunity to see when the sun coming out the sea, to see the beautifulness of it. And when it rises now, it going go above the cloud. So when it go above the cloud now, you're going maybe exactly, you can see exactly how beautiful the sun is when it rising in the east and the eastern tip of St. Thomas, and the eastern and the southern eastern tip of Blue Mahoe, Bigsuper, showing you the beautiful sunrise across St. Thomas, guys. And the cloud then start to lit up. You look up in the sky, you can see them start to light up. Yeah, man, them start to light up. And may I tell you something, it's just the works of the Almighty, you know. It's just telling you that when the Lord rise, you understand? When the Almighty get up out and cheer, and everybody have to just humble, because I just some other work, I just the nature. So the moon gone down, but the sun is up. And without the sun you wouldn't have life. You couldn't have life on the earth, people. The whole earth would have freeze. So the sun is what keep the cycle of life on this planet alive. Yeah. So we have to appreciate the sun, and we have to know that the sun will be with us for the rest of our life. And we don't want to get up one morning and not see the sun. So people, viewers and subscribers, if you're new to Bigsuper channel, I'm asking you please press that subscription button. If you are not already done so, press that subscription button. Remember to drop a comment in the comment section to let me know how my channel is doing. Like the video and share it with a friend, and tell a friend and tell a friend. But this morning Bigsuper is on the coastline giving you a short video of the sun rising in the east. Yeah people, yeah man, so you see the sun is out and the sun is coming up to meet the glory in the sky. And you see this is coming up right between the clouds. You have some clouds out in the water, out in the sky, sorry, blocking the sun, but see the sun now bursting between the cloud. Yeah, you see that? Wow, that is the work of Mother Nature. And the sun is rising, and it's out to rise above the clouds. And you know, when the sun rises, Mother Earth have to kind of just bow our head and say, yeah, welcome sun, welcome to this side of the world. So guys, it is just a beautiful sight. We make sure I get up this morning. I try to catch the sun without the clouds, but I guess you now get it all that perfect. I try to get the sunrise out of the water without the clouds, but sometimes you get it good and sometimes you don't get it the way how you get it. And when you get it, you just have to just love it and know say, I eat that. Yeah, the way you get it, you just have to just You just have to just work with it and know to eat that people. So that's the way I get it this morning. The sun is out. Yeah, and it's a beautiful, beautiful morning, people. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. You can see that Bigsuper. I'm here on the coastline. Yeah, enjoying the beautiful morning. The sun is out, and I'm giving thanks. Yeah, I'm giving thanks for life. Yeah, man. So, guys, we have to wrap up that section now. But if you're new to my channel, I'm asking you to subscribe. Press that subscribe button and leave a comment. It's Bigsuper and another wonderful, wonderful morning looking at the sunrise in the east. Peace out.